I have already disconnected everything on my furnace here. So I disconnected the gas line, the low voltage, the line voltage. I want to make sure that my coil is connected to the existing ductwork. Someone didn't screw that in, and I added 2 in the back here. So everything is connected, so my coil doesn't fall down when I pull the furnace on. Because we're not replacing the air conditioning at this time. So we don't want to disconnect the egg coil and break open the system. That's simply something you don't want to do until you're ready to do it. The return air, I wasn't able to get to all the screws on it because I didn't have an extension for the bottom. So I kind of had to make do here. Otherwise I could have loosened that up and just left that return air hanging. But I made it hard on myself. So I disconnected the drives. I'm going to have to slide it all out. It's always best to have 2 people doing this, but here I am today, it's only me. I'm just going to wiggle the furnace out, taking my time, especially not to disrupt anything that I've disconnected, especially the gas line. I want to make sure the coil doesn't pull away or falls down or anything like that. Just carefully pull it out. And when I'm done, I will put the new furnace in there and I will do the connection from that point. I have to say, 2 people makes this way easier. And I'm sure there's other ways to do this that are way better than the way I did it. But I still got it done. Okay, so we're right at the end there. That coil just wants to hang on to the furnace. But we'll get it out. You can see all my lines are still in there. Now new furnaces aren't as tall as the old ones, so that's good because you can fit the ductwork up to the coil, and then when we get a new air conditioner, we can take the ductwork out, put the new coil on the furnace, and then replace the air conditioning. Now's a good time to ask for sponsors. If there's sponsors out there that want to sponsor my videos, send me free stuff and all that, that'd be great. But if not, I still gotta get this done. Okay, so it's out. I'll put the new furnace in place and get started. I already have the return air on there. It's ready to go.